Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Abbott iSTAT ACTk Cartridge. So guys, as you can see, this is the top and the front view of the kit, and as you can see, this kit needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and that's the reason why it is packed on top of a gel pack. So guys, let me show you this kit. So as you can see, this is the iSTAT ACT cartridge. As you can see, it needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. The normal while performing the test, it needs to be stored in the room temperature. It has a 14 days of shelf life when stored in room temperature. So guys, this is the catalog number of it. So let me show you 03P8725. This is a 25 test cartridge. So guys, you can see this is the catalog number here. So the iSTAT, it's an Abbott product. You can see this here. So let me show you the sides. So at the back, they are given the it is used for testing the determination of activated clotting time. It is manufactured by Abbott point of care in US. So you can find the manufacturing and the expiry date. It's a temperature controlled one. You can find the catalog number here. So guys, let me open this for you. So guys, this is the iSTAT ACT cartridge. You can see this is like nicely packed. It's a 25 test pack. You can find the expiry date, all the other details over here. So you can see when testing this cartridge, it needs to be the room temperature. Once it reaches the room temperature, it has a shelf life of 14 days. You can find it's an IVD and product, C certified product. But if you are storing between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, it has a very long expiry. So guys, this is the iSTAT cartridges. So guys, to summarize up, this is the Abbott iSTAT ACT cartridge. You can find there are 25 cartridges over here. You can find the details. The temperature is between 18 to 30 and the optimal temperature is between 2 to 8. So this is the Abbott iSTAT ACT cartridge. Thank you.